This is Computer Science, Paper 2, Application of Computational Thinking. This is question number 5. You read it carefully. I'm going to start implementation and we will store the data in this format into the file. This is your file, output file equal to question05 output.txt, max per line equal to 7, and this one is a global variable weight used and data has been given here in one dimension array. Write your code here. Main program, open the file, output file. I'm going to open output file. I'm writing here f equal to, f is a pointer that will open the file, f equal to open, then you will write the file name and the mode of the file. Okay, file name you have already given. I will use the same, Control C, Control V, comma, and this one is opening in write mode. W means write mode. Okay, here I will open a file by using this line. Now you can see that this weight used is a one dimension list and containing the data in form of float. I want to write all the data in a file, and each line maximum value should be 7 only. Okay, I'm not handling right now about maximum line, just I want to show the code where you can save the data into the file. Okay, I will write for index in range. Why I'm using a loop? Because I want to write first this value, and this is located on 0 index. This is on first index. This is second index, so on, and range 0. If I will mention 0, it's okay. If I will not mention the start, by default for loop will start by 0, comma. Next, how much the length of this list? I'm copy this name of the list, Control C, and I'm writing here length of this, Control V, colon, and now inside the for loop I'm going to write f, because f is a pointer that have opened the file. F dot write is a built-in function of the file that will use to write the text into the file. Now I want to write the same name, Control C. This is the name of the array, name of the list with index this. Okay, and you know that this will give you data in form of a float. Okay, but you need to write data in form of a string. Okay, that's why you will typecasting by using str of this value to this. Next one, once loop will finish from this place. Okay, because now I am outside the loop. I will write f dot close the file. Okay, I will run this. When I will run this and check the output, okay, right now they will not display anything at this prompt. What I will do, I will open the file where my file has been saved. Okay, I'm going to open this, and you can see that all the values have been displayed here. Okay, they are using 3.79, then 4.61, all the values are there. But I want to put comma. I want to write first value, then comma, separated by these two values by using a comma. Then what I will do, okay, I will concatenate this plus is used to concatenate two values. Okay, two string values, both should be string, and this one is the other string. I'm writing comma and double quotation need to be closed. Okay, now I will run it and check the output. I'm going to run this file. Okay, now I will open the file and see the output. Now you can see that I have written the file. I written the data 3.75, 4.16, so on. Okay, but we are not meeting the requirement of the question, because in question they are telling it should be saved maximum in one line 7 values only. How many values? 7 values only. Then student, what I will do? It means I will not put comma every time. Sometime I need to put comma and sometime I have to use the slash n. When I will use slash n, when 7 data, 7 values has been written in one line, then I will put slash n. Otherwise I will put comma. Okay. For that purpose, I'm removing comma from here. And what I will do now, I'm checking the condition. Now, student, I will write here if index plus 1, index plus 1 percentage means modulus operator that will give me the remaining value, remainder operator. Max per line equal to 7. I'm using this variable. Max per line not equal to 0. Okay. Then what you will do? See, index plus 1. Index plus 1 means first value has been written 1, then index will reach to next value, mean one value has been written, now index will point out second value. Same way, when you have written 7 value, index will reach 7 plus 1 8. That time I have to put the slash n, otherwise we have to put all the time comma. I will use f dot write comma, and else in case of means when it will be equal to 0. Okay, when it will be 0, when 8 index will become 8, it will become 0, and 8th time what they will do, they will write slash n. F dot write slash n is used for new line. Okay, then will it move to the new line. I'm going to run the program, and after this I need to see the output. Okay, question 05 output. Now you can see that this is my first value, second value, third value, fourth values, and fifth value, sixth value, and seventh value. When it reaches to seventh, it will automatically goes to the new line. Okay, and code is this. You can see the code. Okay, important point is only this. Index plus 1 percentage, it will calculate the remaining value. If they will get the result equal to 0, then it will move to the new line. And when it will get the 0, when index will become 7 plus, okay, when it will reach to 7, means 7 divided by 7, then it will reach 0. Okay, means after 7th we will not write comma, we will write slash n.